Okay, so thanks for joining me. And today I'm going to be trying on these pointy toe pumps by Sam Edelman. Another pair that I got from Nordstrom Rack. These are a size 9. You see the price is, what's showing up there? $80. Marked down. Does it show what it's marked down from? It says $140. So anyway, it's a nice pair. Nude color. Oh, but I see some stains there, so see some stains. Maybe returning that. Nope. I'm not paying the price on the sticker if it ain't perfect. It's got blemishes on it. That is not an additional discount. So let's see how it feels first to see if I even need to be trying to get another pair. Okay. I don't have a, what is that? Oh, it's a big old ant. Or these ants, boy. All right. So, I love a nice pointy toe. Love a nice pointy toe. So there it is. There it is. All right. Let's see how it fits. See how it walks. They're sliding off my feet. Why are they sliding off my feet? Size 9. And they're squeezing my toes. Squeezing my toes, sliding off my feet. Okay, so we can't keep these. It's a size 9. Size 9, but it's coming off. Alright, can't keep these. Well, so much for this one. So this is a return, especially since it has the blemishes on it. So, I mean, it has a lot of other stuff too. You see that? It looks like a tear there, like something scraped across it. So, and I believe these are real leather. But it's got too many things wrong with it for me to keep it. But the shoe in itself, if it stayed on my ankle, but I don't think I could get a smaller size. I guess this shoe is just not meant for me, because a smaller size would be even tighter. For one, it's squeezing my toes across the toe part, and it's coming off my feet. So I guess these shoes aren't for me. So I will be returning these. But let me know if you have this pair. What is it called? These are called, it doesn't have a name. But anyways, beige, size 9. Pointy toe from Sam Edelman. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Consider subscribing if you enjoy my videos. And leave your comments. I would love to read them. And I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.